Hello friends, most welcome to my YouTube channels. You first like and subscribe my YouTube channels and watch my all videos and share my video with your friends. By default, the subfolder be named based on the date and photos we are taking. Click on the box below. The world create subfolder to open list of preset the naming and options for the folder. The most of options are just variations on the shoot date. If you need the something more specific, close custom names from the list and then entering anything you like for the folder names. And since of I shoot these also, uh, the location sections between the up to date and show a preview of the name you are enters the save options. Thanks for watching and subscribe my YouTube channel.